Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Trust observes 25th RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Day. People celebrates Ima Imoynu Irat Thoni 2020 Festival of Prosperity with traditional fervor and gaiety. Voting for 70 members, Delhi Assembly begins on the 8th February, counting of votes on 11 February. An ESU Palace compound defeated Neroka Football Club Sangak formed to clinch 31st Junior Boys Inter-District Football League Championship title. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambanduram presenting you the prime-timed English news. First of all, Impact TV would like to wish all our viewers a very happy and prosperous Imoynu Irat Numit 2020. Moving on with our bulletin, let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Trust observed the 25th RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Day today. The event was held in commemoration of those victims who were killed in indiscriminate CRPF firing incident that took place at RIMS Hospital on 7th of January 1995. RIMS Director Professor A. Santa led the trust members in paying floral tribute to the portrait of the late victim. They observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls at RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Square, RIMS Gate. It may be recalled that one unknown armed miscreant shot a CRPF personnel who was on duty at RIMS casualty ward, following which enraged CRPF personnel carried out indiscriminate firing which killed 9 innocent civilians, including one medical student named Momi Riva from Arunachal Pradesh. A person in charge of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Laboratory, 1 rickshaw puller and 6 auto rickshaw drivers. 1 auto rickshaw drivers named Nongthombam Sharat from Uripok Yambem Legai, who became physically challenged after he sustained bullet injuries in the firing incident, passed away last year.
Sahi kun mangagi mamangda thokiba nungaitraba thodok adu hek thokpa punghai mai matungda ai casualty da lai naharon sina kapamba CRP du di kesu tawde ma mit ga pangna leirami ai sauni manghradna CRP du gi seba tawba leirami ba sipai sing du CRP sing du Dr. Lekatan Sharma Sotabani nakoi Januar Sara Mara later mi mapan kapa hatu sikai kino ai ngang ai ni amna nungai jadabadi provoke tawrami ba karamba group kino ngasi bau claim tawgide nongmai kapa su haite anu nak la kapa do danger ka su oi hide CRP do sei ni phu yang khangi mamang dadi CRP gi mentality se moi de bu tawradi eta massacre tawba langjing gi massacre hairang goi thongi volleyball ground da tawhiba koi de soladi eta micham kapna hat kani haibigi mentality se tamdura laibado na tawi
committee asine chathajariba observation ase matungda su sigumba koigi human right violate tawba aduga miyoibagi minungsi amta yawnana trial tawduna non actor sing na boigra state actor sing na boigra sigumba wild bizar tawduna mi bu hat pase yade haibase akoi Manipur people sing da dagi akoi gi miyoiba jati na masi yaning de haiba du phongdok jaboina observation ase pangthok jab
Imoynu Ima Irat Thoni is being observed at every household across Infal Valley with traditional fervor and gaiety today. People offered various rice, vegetables, fruit, fishes and other food items and prayed for wealth, prosperity and successful life. Ima Imoynu Irat Thoni Thoram was also observed at the Pisum Community Hall. Performance of Pena Saisak and religious song dedicated to Ima Imoynu were the main highlights of the occasion. Poirei Ithaibalupt PEEL organized 38 Ima Imoynu Thoni at Yumnam Lekai Larimbilampak. Speaking to media, PEEL Vice President Moirangthem Imo said that Ima Imoynu is the goddess of wealth and prosperity and appealed people to pray for development and good life. performance of traditional dance, songs and religious songs dedicated to Ima Imoinu were the main highlights of the event.
ngasi akoi funga lairu haina khangnaba asida mai be mana nganthoidana leirakanda masa manai oiriba khudingmakpu khogi lamsat sajat saksa ithak khudingmaksi mangondagi loina tholakpa haiba tare maramdi alamal singna fungada masa manau sing adagi masu sing koksalaga folktale kyam lidana haidi chanalon chat kyam tambiraktana adumaina haurakpa adugumba yamna maruiba mafam dumakta da leiba lairembi aduga aikoi bu punamakpu yokpi thakpiribi hipubi yaipubi punamakta thaujal pibiriba adugumba ima si koina yamna maru oina laujaraga masi poirei thiba lupna kumsi chai hesiga kunthra ruksuba ima ibema imoinu irathoni thoramasi pangthokchabani.
Residents of Singjamei Sapam Laikai in Infal West also held the observance in the locality. People of the locality paid ritual offerings to Ima Imoinu, the goddess of wealth, and prayed for peace and prosperity in the state. Imoinu Irat Thoni Lupt Namirakpam Laikai also observed Imoinu Irat Thoni and Thongju Namirakpam Laikai since early morning today. Leimarold Lamjing Kond Leimakold organized 38th Nupigi Fidamd Firepnaba Numit 2020 at the Thangjamd Vir Chandra Maipakpi Community Hall in Chingmairong today. 11 Luploi of Leimakold and children showcased special song performances, and Shalai singers performed song dedicated to Imoinu Ima at the event, which was held in view of the auspicious occasion of Ima Imoinu Iratpa 2020, which is celebrated across the state today, the 12th day of Wakching as per Manipur lunar calendar. Democratic Students Alliance Manipur Desam expressed disappointment over failure of the government to take up the works related to 4 years teachers education program, which is adopted in every state by establishing a modeled multidisciplinary college MMC as per National Education Policy 2019. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Desam office in Kwakaitel today, Desam President Salam Akash said that a memorandum was submitted to Education Minister Tokchom Radeshyam urging to open MMC at every district by Desam to be a part of initiatives taken up by the Indian government regarding extension of teacher education programs, namely BA, BEd and BSc, BEd from 2 years to 4 years. He maintained that recklessness of Education Minister and officials of Education Department has led to failure of Manipur to be in the recommendation list published by National Council for Teacher Education NCTE. Shalam Akas said that teachers coming from the other states will snatch away teachers' profession of the state upon the failure to implement the national education policy in the state. He appealed the Chief Minister and Cabinet Ministers to look into the matter and give a consent to opening of MMCs.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯑꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯆꯪꯍꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯝꯍꯧꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ 2 yearsꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ 4 years integrated course ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯑꯣꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯁꯤ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯍꯟꯖꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯡꯍꯧꯁꯤ NCTꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯟꯁꯤꯗꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯃꯦꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟ ꯊꯥꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯉꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯃꯦꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯖꯩ
National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR along with Manipur Commission for Protection of Child's Right MCPCR under the initiative of Tung Early Childhood Care Education ECCE held a state-leveled multi-stakeholders workshop on availabilities and access to ECCE curriculum in regional dialects and mother tongue today. Speaking on the sideline of the event held at the banquet hall of First Manipur Rifles, National Secretary of Shiksha Sankriti Utthand Nyast, New Delhi, Atul Kothari stressed on the need to encourage children to learn and speak in mother tongue to aid in their intellectual development. He said students in most developed countries pursue their studies in their own mother tongue right from the primary level till higher studies. He termed it unfortunate that people in India have a wrong notion of considering those who are fluent in English as learned and intellectuals.
और चाइल्ड का जो उसेज है कि वो अपनी मदर लैंग्वेज में एजुकेशन लेंगे तो उनका मदर लैंग्वेज अच्छा हो जाएगा, तो फिर वो वर्ल्ड की कोई भी लैंग्वेज बहुत इजीली सीख सकता है. और वर्ल्ड वाइड जो लैंग्वेज पर रिसर्च हुए हैं वो सारे रिसर्च का रिपोर्ट यही कहता है, सिर्फ प्राइमरी एजुकेशन नहीं, टोटल एजुकेशन मदर लैंग्वेज में होना चाहिए. रशिया में रशियन है, चाइना में मंडारिनी में है, फ्रांस में फ्रांसीसी है, जापान में जापानीज है. तो हमारे यहाँ एक ऐसा एक भ्रम है कि बिना अंग्रेजी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते वर्ल्ड पे. तो इंग्लिश में कट पेस्ट करते तो पीएचडी की डिग्री तो मिल जाती है, लेकिन वो वास्तविक रिसर्च नहीं होता है. तो इसीलिए ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो है इसी पर एनसीपीसीआर ने ये कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज किया है.
10-day Meitei coaching held at the Chauton Singh Manipuri ME School, Bonterapur, organized jointly by Milald Mayai Loishang and Milald Kachar Bonterapur Pana Loishang concluded today. Milald, in a press release, informed that more than 200 students from in and around Bonterapur attended the coaching class, which started on the 28th of December 2019. Vice-Chancellor of Central Agricultural University, CAU, Imphal, Dr. M. Premjit, has released CAU's Wall and Table Calendar and the Kishan Diary 2020 at the conference hall of CAU in Lumphilpant today. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. M. Premjit expressed happiness that the 28-year-old university has become one of the top-ranking and esteemed agricultural university of the country. He said the university, which caters to around 935 students, including students from outside the state every year, has achieved 6 national awards, and as a CAU Vice-Chancellor, he has received 10 awards in the last 5 years. Dr. M. Premjit mentioned that CAU Imphal was ranked 13th position amongst 75 agricultural universities of the country in 2018. He added that 2 students of the university's big overall topper in the Old India JRF examination 2019 and around 10 students cracked Old India ARS exam 2018. Dr. M. Premjit added that 6 new colleges, 6 vocational trainings, 6 multi-technology testing center and 3 Krishi Vigyan Kendras have been added under the university. The CAU Vice-Chancellor also highlighted about various undertakings and achievements of the university. Dr. M. Premjit disclosed that the university has earned a project worth 24 crore 5 lakh rupees under ICAR. 95 students and 37 teachers of the university will be provided opportunity to undergo 3 months entrepreneurship training in their respective subjects at universities in abroad under the project.
Agriculture University Haragadi, Satra Putokba, MSc Agri, BSc Agri, PhD, Natraga, Allied Veterinary, the Putokpa to the Natana, Asagi Anova concept, Asagi Northern region, the Natana, all over the country. Larik Tamurakanda, Tavuk Pangre. Matokaramna, job seekers, job providers, job creator. Ontokadagi highway si, Shubnadagi akoi entrepreneurship, akoi skill development si, Natragadi akoi, as a government, that amna tabak laiti, as an Ishana, Ishabat Tabuk Pijabagi, Motoda, Nasai University, Sahi Mangasi Daida, Top, Nasai Vocational Training Center, Taruk Amasu Akoi. Established ore, Manipur ki Vocational Training Center, Iroishembada Dum Tami, Masiki building Akoi, Shavaloigre.
Deputy Chief Minister Kamd Uripok MLA Yumnam Joy Kumar today inaugurated a community hall named Imoinu Shanglin at Lamboy Kongnang Kong in Imphal West. President of Ima Thogal Lup W. Kesho, advisor of Uripok Semgat Sagat Apun Balup Yumnam Ongbi Ibepisak, and former president of United Friends Library and Club T.A.'s Surjaboro attended the event organized by Ima Thogal Lup Lamboy Kongnangkong. Speaking on the occasion, Y. Joy Kumar assured of further developmental projects as per the need of the locals.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯤꯈꯥꯏ ꯅꯥꯏꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯛꯇꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯈꯟꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯨ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯎꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯗꯕꯨꯜ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 1 ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯌꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯊꯥ 2-3ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ.
Old Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union is all set to hold the 31st Drivers' Day observance at Interstate Bus Terminus ISBT Chingmerong on January 14th. The union has appealed to the surviving family members of the deceased drivers and people of the state to attend the event. Speaking to media at the union office in MG Avenue today, General Secretary of the union, Maimomt Anil Maite, said that the floral tribute will be paid as a mark of respect to the 263 drivers who lost their lives while on duty at the observance. He said that the union has been observing Drivers' Day every year on January 14th to commemorate the day when thousands of drivers took out protest at the airfield of Koirengay against violations of their rights on the 14th of January 1990. Maimom Anil said that drivers will be on steering wheel down on the Drivers' Day. He also appealed to civil organizations of the state not to call any kind of general strike on this particular day.
Lai Wikraba, Saniga, Humpu, Humdoigi, Mafunda, Hekalapa, Tambisida, Punamangsu, Yawina, Navahana, All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Worker Union, Gimaki, the Tamjari, Haibanumit Sida, Hekalaka, Tambasida, Manipurgi Kasin Koya, Kudimakta, Equigi, Hekalaka, Tambasi, Sweden Pantokani, Miamamsu, the Haiba, Torbi Pantopomatamda, the Lake Traversing, the Kaikunabu Pio, Adunatana, Exano Wine Singba, Harakumai. Toba Sigum City, Tobidana Haina, Driven Gi Makedi, Mayampurmak Tamjari. Haiban Misida, Manipur, Dimapana Chiliva, Driver Purnamuna, Misida starting Tarutuna, Keleka Tambisida, Saru Yavinable, and Mayam from the Nixingari, Lena Numisida, Sena Labiga Marina, Koigari, Punamak, when Misida Lepsegani.
Konglei Park Kanbalupt KKL assured to investigate if microfinance institutions in Manipur are being operated in an authorized manner. KKL General Secretary Ngamkai Ngakpa Luang said that legal actions will be taken up against Maira Microfinance at Palace Compound for failing to treat loanies properly. Speaking to media in a press meet held at KKL's office in Pauna Bazaar today, Ngamkai Ngakpa Luang asserted that investigations on Maira Microfinance started following arrest and detained of a guarantor of a loanee at their office upon failure to the loanee to pay money on time and the hurling of abusive words by male employees of the microfinance towards women. He added that it is high time to educate people involved in the microfinance on how to collect money from the loanees and to check if they abide by ethics of microfinance institutions.
Hal Lamada Amadi Nupiam, the Sarkaduba, Wahiwata, Sinakidabse. Ado Taragadi, Aquina Tigalation Kano. Manipur the lady was Sugumlova, Akogi, microfinancing, legal loibra. Legal loitaragadi, Pashaka Mina Tony Havigi, Mogi, legal loiba, procedure Malay from Toktabra. Adogugi Wang Mada, Tauriba, Tabakni, the Quena Lozare Masi, Quena Akanga Hitanas of the Haitara. Aduna Sugumba Tauriba, microfinancing, asi, Karigumba Sumana. Loani sing sida yamna torture ahen ba torture tau taragadi kanglipa kan bulum na su masi koi thigalagani amadi ain gi oiba sapsaba phire ma lauraga masi ain gi oiba thong da koina ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Coordinating body of trade union, Manipur, in a press release has informed that more than 100 organizations and associations of the state will extend full solidarity to the nationwide general strike called by Central Trade Union, Bank, Insurance Independence, Federations, Export Bodies and Farmers Association tomorrow. Kaisamthong Local Council Communist Party of India also extended solidarity to the general strike. On the implementation of inaligned permit in Manipur, a team of District Legal Services Authority headed by the Chairman, District Legal Services Authority, Senapati A. Nautaneshwari, along with additional public prosecutor Koshia Mao and the retainer lawyer Atini Victoria, bar members along with the staff of DLSA visited the Mao police station today and inaugurated a help desk which is sponsored by Manipur State Legal Services Authority in order to assist the Mao police. The paralegal volunteers of Mao Legal Aid Clinic were present and given instructions with guidelines of the implementation by the chairman and the additional public prosecutor, and they will be assisting during the implementation of the ILP. The teams gave awareness at the police station. The need for setting up a help desk at Mao was felt as Mao being the gateway of Manipur where immigrants entered by road, and the Mao police are giving their best service day and night. Hence, the legal services have opened the health desk, seeing the need for giving services to those persons who are in need. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news unscheduled for Delhi Assembly polls. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime News. Voting for 70 members Delhi Assembly will be held on the 8th of next month and counting on 11th February. The notification will be issued on 14th of this month and last date of nomination will be 21st of January. Addressing a press conference in New Delhi, Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora said that the poll panel is committed to conduct free and fair polls. He said 90,000 policemen will be deployed for polling process. Sunil Arora said over 13,000 polling stations will be set up for more than 1.46 crore voters in the national capital. The term of current assembly will expire on the 22nd of February. In the 2015 assembly election, AAP had won 67 seats with 54.34% vote share, while BJP grabbed 3 seats with 32.19% vote share. Congress failed to win a single seat with just 9.65% of vote in its favor. Combined team of 12th Assam Rifled and Moreh Police seized 390 grams of brown sugar and 4,000 pieces of World Is Yours WI tablet from a Maruti vent at around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. The team seized the contraband drugs from the vehicles during a search operation at the Kuding Thabi Permanent Motor Vehicle Checkpost in Infalt Moreh Road. According to Moreh Police, the drug worth around 90 lakh rupees were found concealed inside a pillow belonging to 21-year-old Mohammad Aslam from the Khand Moreh, Ward number 5, Muslim Basti. The miscreants along with the seized drug were handed over to Moreh Police Station last night. Students of Manipur University carry out a candlelight protest organized by Manipur University Students Union MUSU in front of Manipur University main gate yesterday, condemning mobbed attack to students and teachers inside Jawaharlal Nehru University in Delhi. Speaking to media, Musu President M. Bobby strongly condemned the act and urged the relevant authorities to investigate the incident and take up legal actions against the perpetrators. He also demanded the state government to take up necessary measures to sift the Assam rifles camped inside Manipur University campus at the earliest.
ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯐꯝꯁꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ JNUꯗ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯝꯊꯤꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯍꯨ ꯆꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯗꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯐꯨꯔꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ.
Shri Siddhi Jagannath Mandir in the Thangal Bazaar observed the first anniversary of installation of statues of Hindu deity Lord Balabhadra, Subhadra and Jagannath in the temple today. Devotees thronged the temple since early morning to offer prayers to mark the day. Kabui Dharma Sabha Manipur in a press release has informed that 5-day Gangai celebration will kick off from 8th of January. Kabui Dharma Sabha Manipur sends heartiest festive greetings to everyone and urge people to partake in the festival. Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah has wished the people of the state, especially Zeliarongd brothers, on the joyous and auspicious occasions of Gangai Festival 2020. In her greetings, the governor urged everyone to join the celebration of Gangai with the spirit of friendship and brotherhood with traditional gaieties and devotion. She wished that the post-harvest festival brings happiness and prosperity and spread the message of unity, love, peace and brotherhood amongst all communities for a prosperous Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren has also conveyed his heartiest greeting to the people of Manipur, especially to Zeliarong community, on the occasion of Gangai Festival 2020. In his greeting, the Chief Minister said, Gangai is the biggest and religious post-harvest festival of the Zeliarong community. He said the festival is an occasion to preserve and promote their rich cultural heritage and way of life. He prayed that the festival brings happiness, peace, prosperity, unity and love amongst all communities in the state. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Kim Chand and Rajya Sabha MP K. Bhavananda in separate press release also extended heartiest greeting on the joyous occasion of Gangai Festival. Works Minister Thongamt Vishwarjit, Forest and Environment Minister Thongnawjam Shyam Kumar and CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam in separate press release have also conveyed heartiest greeting of Gangai Festival to everyone. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and ex-Deputy Chief Minister cum CWC member Gai Khangam in separate press release extended heartiest Gangai greeting to the people. Siva Sena Manipur State Unit in a press release also extended heartiest greeting to the Zeliarong's brethren on the occasion of Gangai Festival. Old Manipur Nupi Marup held its 80th Foundation Day celebration at Iravat Bhavan today. Social Welfare Club Hyanglamd Makalaikai organized a reception programs for brand ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission's Ilangbumd Valentina at her birthplace in Hyanglamd Makalaikai today. Members of Hyanglamd Zila Parisad Ilangbumd Ranjita, Pradhan of Hyanglamd Gram Panchayat E. Santibala took part in the event. Various tree saplings were also planted in and around the club area on the occasion. Now the sports news. ESU Palace Compound has bagged the championship titles of the 31st Junior Boys Inter-District Football League. In the final match played at Kumalam Park Artificial Turfed Ground today, ESU Palace Compound beat Naroka Football Club Sangakphamd. For the winners, Thomsold Tong Singh scored one goal at 67th minute in a penalty shootout. ESU Palace Compound's player Mohammad Wazid Khan was slammed with red card by centre referee for playing against rules at 10th and 58th minute of the match. The football league was held under the age of Old Manipur Football Association. General Secretary of Old Manipur Sports Association R.K. Sanayaima and eminent persons of Old Manipur Football Association felicitated winners of the football league at the valedictory event. Naroka Football Club will play against Trau Football Club in a match of the ongoing 13th I-League season at 2 p.m. at Kumalam Park Men's Stadium tomorrow. A press meet was held at Kumalam Park Men's Stadium along with the officials and players of both the teams prior to the third home match of Tidim Road Athletic Union Trau today. Speaking to media in the Trau Technical Director Eld Nandakumar said that tomorrow's match is one of the crucial match of the team as their team is at the bottom of a point tally. He asserted that players and coaches are all set to win tomorrow's match. Speaking to media, Naroka Football Club head coach Gift Raikant said that his players are also all set to play the match carefully as improvement were observed in opponents' players in their previous matches.
We have planned a lot. We have studied the past matches and this local team. It's a good team. We know, we respect them, but we have analyzed their weak and strong points, and we have rectified our weak points also. So at least I beg to all the supporters, all the viewers of this state, there may be a lot of supporters for both of the teams, but at least we have to get 3 points. That is our target.
The Department of Physical Education and Sports Sciences, Manipur University, kicked off week-long non-residential First Children Winter Adventure Sports Camp at the Varsity Football Ground today. Over 100 students of class 3 to 9 are participating in the camp organized in collaboration with Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, MMTA. Participants will be trained on rock climbing, rappelling, zip lining, zoomering, trekking, parasailing, house riding and other adventure courses. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Journal Singh and MUTA President Professor M. Ranjit graced the event. Sunrise Club dropped UZB Markulian by 6-0 in a match of the ongoing first Moirang-themed Jodish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2020 at Jiribam Higher Secondary School playground today. Old Jiribam Sports Association to organize the tournament. JYC Jairok Pokpi will battled against Jiri Police tomorrow. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Trust observed 25th RIMS Firing Victim Memorial Day. People celebrates Ima Imoinu Irathoni 2020. Festivals of prosperity with traditional fervor and gaiety. Voting for 70 members, Delhi Assembly begins on the 8th February, counting of vote on 11 February. ESU Palace Compound defeated Neroka Football Club Sangakpom to clinch 31st Junior Boys Inter-District Football League Championship title.